Right, okay, into the second part or the part 2 from the chapter 6. So this is the second step here, which we need to draw free body diagram for each joint. Right, so yang ni adalah figure dia lah. Okay, kalau kita nak tengok balik, this is the figure yang kita go through by part 1 previously. So remember to put the force into the upward. Maksudnya keluarlah daripada every joint tu. So yang mana ada joint tu, kita kena assumekan dia first sebagai outward. Okay. And then untuk the third step here, which we need to find the force of each member of thrust. Start with the joint with only 2 unknown force. So boleh pakai D lah. Okay. Kita start daripada point joint D. Okay. A pun boleh, tapi kebiasaannya kita start daripada this one lah, lagi easier to find the values. So from the joint D, we need to resolve into the Fy and Fx axis. So this angle here not given in the question, which we need to find by our own. Okay, cara nak cari dia macam biasalah, kita guna Pythagoras theorem. Okay, from this figure here, saya attach dekat sebelah ni. So kita buat satu line which 90 degrees. So the distance of the height 1 meter, and then distance this one which 1.5 meters. So by using Pythagoras, kita boleh dapat the values approximately around 1.8 meter. So we get the angle here which is 33.7. Right, if not sure, you all boleh use manual ataupun use online calculator. Saya tunjuk lah. Okay, saya tunjuk. Saya guna online calculator je, senang sikit. Right. Sekejap kita tengok. Okay, this one. Okay, ni adalah saya kira by online calculator, which I put the values 1 meter and then 1.5 base and height. So we get the values dia which is approximately 1.8 meter. So angle dia daripada A 33.69 ataupun 33.7. And then satu lagi angle on beta 56.31. Okay, clear? So tu je, sama ada you nak guna sine rule ataupun Pythagoras pun tak ada masalah. So into the summation of the Fy, so naik atas ke atas akan jadi positif. Kita assume lah first naik atas tu positif. So bila kita calculate which mass equals to 0, FCD and then minus, tolak lah turun bawah sebab 4 kN ni force dia turun bawah, negatif. So we get the values, bila kita tarik dapat jawapan dia 7.21 kN in terms of tension. Means tension lah bila dia positif, sebab kita dah assume first tadi yang mana upward tu akan jadi tension positif. So betul lah, positif jadi positif. Right, untuk in terms of Fx pula, FCD here cos 33.7. Yang ni you boleh resolve sendiri lah. XY sama ada sin ataupun cos. So bila kita calculate, kita akan dapat negative values of FBD. So negative, that's mean compression. So you boleh tulis negative 6 kN ataupun you tulis 6 kN dalam bracket compression. Right. So again, saya nak tekankan dekat sini, why is it compressed? Sebab kita assume first sebagai tension. Okay, kita assume semua tu keluar daripada every point tu, dia punya ni keluar. So ni this one. Okay, kita assume all members are in tension. So direction of force must be directed outward. So bila dapat negative, that's mean dia compress. Okay, clear on that part. So jangan confuse which one is tension, which one is compress. Okay. And then clear for the joint. Okay, this one kita go pula lah second joint, which is joint A. In terms of F, A, C, from the point A to the point C. Okay, senanglah kita labelkan. Kita label. So yang ni AY dia, which is menekan ke arah point tu lah, which is reaction. Okay, this is the reaction, which is AY tu adalah reaction force. Okay, AX equals to 0. So bila kita calculate values, kita akan dapat in terms of sin 63.4. Yang ni pun you boleh guna Pythagoras theorem to find the angle. So you akan dapat values dia FAB equals to negative. Okay, that's mean compression. Right, untuk FX pula start daripada negative. So sebab apa negative? Sebab dia opposite lah. Okay, dia terbalik daripada yang mana kita dah setkan awal-awal. Ke kanan tu adalah positif, so dia ke kiri dia jadi negatif. Bila kita calculate, kita akan dapat positive values. That's mean FAC tu samalah direction keluar. That's mean tension. Right, the last one, which is the point joint C. So kita copy balik gambar ni, kita letak sebelah. So it will be easier for you to look into it. Okay, let's say kalau you all nak this slide, jangan risau, saya memang attach dalam Padlet. Okay, you boleh refer to my Padlet to find the notes, comprehensive notes, and then ada satu lagi notes yang mana related to this chapter. Alright, so here we need to find summation of Fy which equals to 0. So clear, which is going upward become positive, that's mean negative because 2 kilonewton going downwards. And then this one also negative, FCD. Okay, we get the values from here. We just change the values FCD, and then we need to put the angle. And then to find the FBC, right, FCD we already know. We need to find the FBC. Easy lah, just one unknown. So bila satu unknown je, kita senang nak cari. So kita akan dapat values dia, which FBC equals to negative 6.71. So maksudnya adalah compress. So dia terbalik lah. Right, I think clear on that part. So kita dah boleh, soalan dia suruh cari force in every joint. Okay, so kita dah dapat cari, and then kita boleh dapat juga reaction force of B. Okay, kalau you all tak clear, you boleh go through by the slide. Kita boleh tengok macam mana kita nak cari. So overall we already find every force in that one. Kalau ada yang termiss tu, you all boleh calculate sendirilah. Tapi that's the main point here, which we need to find every forces. Okay. And then for the group work one here, which we need to make this question into group. Tapi when we have online class, I know it's very difficult lah. So this is just optional for all of you. I will just show roughly a simple step. Okay, just a simple step here. This is the answers, the belows here, which the answer from the question. So you may or you may not do your exercise by your own. It's not compulsory to submit it to me, because I don't want to make more burden of you. And then this is group work number 2. So this is the answer also. The question is almost similar, which we need to find support lah at D, and then hinge at A, and roller at C. So bila ada roller tu, maksudnya dekat C tu cuma ada satu je reaction force dia ke atas. Right, so please remember ya, kalau dia tak boleh bergerak in X and Y axis, that mean akan ada dua reaction force in terms of X axis and Y axis. So ini saya tulis terus, which ada satu je reaction dia. Untuk this one akan ada dua reaction at the point A. Right, tu je calculation dia similar macam example which I already shown you previously. So this is the answer, which we need to find the force of each member of the truss, and then state whether the members are in tension or compression. So in every point here, so you must remember to put first, okay, the direction onward. Okay, setiap kali kita kena assumekan dia sebagai outward first. So kalau contoh bila kita calculate each joint tu dapat positif, that mean it's tension lah. Kalau dapat negatif, maksudnya adalah compression. Okay, Ni cara yang paling senang lah untuk kita calculate for the chapter 6 calculation. Okay, boleh clear on that part. So this is the answer. Let's say if you get the answer here, that's mean you done the proper way of explaining the questions. Right, so this is into the next videos later on, which about this special concept, which is zero force member. So I think we just stop here first for the part 1 and part 2. Right, so we go into the part 3 later on. Right, okay, thank you.